Who are you? India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are. All Indians are. Always speak the truth. Give me some GK questions. Whichever is found in last jungle. Which is our national animal? Tiger is our national animal. What is the national flower of India? What is the national flower of India? Peacock is our national bird. Where uses egg? Answer is the hen uses egg. How many days are there in a week? Which are they? There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It is our country. India is our country. There are 28 Indian states. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Patna Bangal, Sikkim, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Mizoram.
When you want something, when you want something, what will you say? What will you say? I would say please, I would say please, that's why.
In a jungle, we were a monkey. They were one day. One day, he saw a basket full of mangoes. Yes.
Nidana and the whole class. Okay, did you enjoy all